A lassie was milking her father's kye, when a gentleman on horseback he come riding by. When a gentleman on horseback he come riding by, he was the Laird o' the Dainty Dounby. Oh, good morning, what would ye gie, gin I was to lie a necht wi' ye? To lie a necht, that'll never, never day, though you're Laird o' the Dainty Dounby. He's ta'en her by the middle sae sma', he's laid her down where the grass grew lang. It was a long, long time ere he's raised her up again, saying, "Your lady o' the Dainty Dounby." Upon a day, and a bonny summer's day, the day the lassie's father had some money for to pay. The day the lassie's father had some money for to pay to the Laird o' the Dainty Dounby. Oh, good morning, and how do you do? Who is your daughter, Janet the New? Who is your daughter, Janet the New? Since I've laid her in the Dainty Dounby. My daughter Janet, she's never a wheel. My daughter Janet, she's looking on a bill. My wee Janet, she gouts at her gale, since you've laid her in the Dainty Dounby. He's ta'en her by the lily white hand, he's led her in the rooms, aye, and they were 21. He's placed the keys into her hand, saying, "Your lady o' the Dainty Dounby." Oh, says the old man, "What will we do?" Oh, says the old wife, "I'll dance until I die." Oh, says the old man, "I think I'll do that